Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect wired headphones to Samsung TV. Let's go. Wired headphones are used to connect 3.5mm. But not all TVs have 3.5mm support. Find the 3.5mm input on your TV. If your TV has a 3.5mm input, plug in the headphones. Open Settings. All settings. Sound output. Select your headphones input. That's it. Now you know how to connect wired headphones to Samsung TV. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.